Okay, so I actually suck at making intros, so I'm not even gonna try. But my hair is really greasy, and I'm in a Twilight shirt, so that means I'm gonna dye my hair. The type of bleach that I use, I'm really only gonna dye the silver side because I don't know. I only want to dye the side. My roots are grown out, and yeah, they look ratchet. I'm a roach. But this is the Prism Lights. We got a big ass bag because you know I be killing my hair like every week. And then I'm mixing that with 30 volume developer and just putting it all over my roots on this side. I'm trying to part my hair like down the center, but I fucking suck at that.
Sitting here alone, waiting by my own phone, and I don't wanna waste my time.
So I'm just gonna tie off this side.
Don't wanna waste your time. Don't wanna waste our time. Sticking on my cell phone, couldn't call you home.
I'm also gonna add some of this because my hair literally turns orange when I bleach it, so.
Sticking on my cell phone, couldn't call you mine. Sitting here out there alone, waiting by my own phone, and I'm scared to waste my time. Waste your time. I'm scared to waste your time. It's out there myself. I couldn't call you mine. I sat there alone, waiting by my phone, and sticking on my cell phone. I'm scared to waste my time. I'm scared to waste your
So now I'm just gonna leave this on my hair for I don't even know how long, like 25-30 minutes, just until all of this starts turning blonde. And then I'm gonna rinse it out and tone. Okay, so now that my hair is damp, I'm gonna tone it with some Wella 050 and a 30 volume developer. And I'm just gonna mix like 2 parts of developer and 1 part toner, I guess. And again, I'm gonna add in a couple of drops of my additive. 20 or 25 minutes, and then rinse it out with cold water. And that's it. If I was gonna do this side, I'd just dye it black, the same exact process I did this side without bleaching though. And yeah. So I'm literally the biggest procrastinator because I moved states and couldn't even finish this video in one. So here's the results. I've washed it quite a few times since I've dyed it, but that's basically what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed watching, so like, comment, and subscribe.